What if I told you that you're only 6 months away from a completely different life? Most people try to overestimate what they can achieve in a week or a month, but radically underestimate what they can achieve in 6 months of aligned action. So today in this video, I will give you the roadmap to get from confused, stuck, and unfulfilled to getting radically aligned with your purpose in only 6 months. Step number 1 is to get extremely clear of where you are at. This means that you need to start looking at what is your life situation and what is it really that you want to change. Where are your main points of misalignment? These are the points in which you feel that your energy is being drained just by thinking about a certain situation or constantly repeating a certain situation. It might be relationships, it might be job, it might be the environment where you find yourself in. This is like the first stepping stone of how to launch yourself into the future of 6 months and what are the steps to go from there. Step number 2 is very simple. It's to get radically clear on what you want. If you had full permission to want what you want, not what society, your family, or your fear told you was possible, what would you do with your life? Where would you be? With whom would you be? What would you go for? How would your everyday life look like? This is your Northern Star. This is where you want to be in 6 months, or at least at a stepping stone on your way to that North Star. When we have a plan of where we want to go, it's not only easier for us to see the steps to get there, but our brain also works in a way that we try to match our environment with what we are trying to bring in. So this is really manifestation at hand. But to actually manifest something, you need to have 3 things aligned. You need to align your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. And this is what we're going to do in this 6-month plan. If you want to have some extra help with this, I have prepared a free visionary toolkit guide to help you map out this soul aligned vision. So if you're interested in that, just comment free guide and I will send it to you. Step number 3 is review your habits, inputs, and your environment. As I said before, your life is a result of what you think, what you feel, what you do, but also of who you're spending your time with, because naturally that affects what you think, what you feel, and what you do. Who you're spending time with mirrors your self-belief, it mirrors your belief about the world, and it mirrors, as a consequence, the actions and the behaviors that you're showing up with. You cannot become a new version of yourself if you stay addicted to the old version of you. This includes everything that you choose to put your energy to, so except from how you're spending your time with your family, your friends, or the self-time that you're spending. Also, where does your energy go on social media, in daily rhythms, and anywhere else online? Are you the type of person who, after a long day, you just sit down and you relax and you put on a show of Netflix to distract yourself? Or are you a person who uses your free time to actually nourish yourself with something that aligns with your soul vision? These are questions not to make you feel bad about watching a Netflix movie. I think that's something that we like to do, all of us, once in a while. But there is a huge difference between daily distraction because you're not feeling fulfilled in your life and you don't have an aligned action plan, and from using that time to actually nourish your soul, to actually do something that aligns with your plan. Because oftentimes we feel completely overwhelmed about the sensation of creating or going into direction of this dream life that we have in mind. But in reality, it only requires daily inputs and outputs. That means action and inputs, what we consume, not only with our food, but also with our time and our attention, to really start seeing a shift in actually a very small amount of time. So you need to be mindful of how you're using your time and where you decide to spend your energy. Something that I use with my clients and that I use with myself every day is to ask myself, what are the most aligned action that I can take today that will actually bring me closer to my goals? Step number 4 is act before you feel ready. Know this, that you will never, ever in your life feel ready. And the people who have the most success in life are the people who decide to start acting even when they don't feel ready, because they know that the action and the experiences of that action will make them ready. So even if you start in a certain direction and you fail, you just correct the course of the action, you retry again, and that is how you succeed. And we have not really been taught this in school. We have been taught that failure is the end of something. That means that you should never do something again if you're not good at something. And that is not true at all. Failure is really a stepping stone on a path towards success. And this is really what we should try to rewire into our brain and try to teach to our children, and know that action is what fuels the direction. Because stepping into something allows you to become ready. It's not the other way around. And I want to give you a personal example of this. A couple of years ago, after having gone through a major shift in my life, having done a lot of personal work, a lot of transformational work, I really felt that I was at a certain point in which I didn't really know what the next step was, or actually I knew that the next step was that I should start sharing what I had gone through, because I did that in my everyday interaction with my friends and with my family, and I saw that that had a huge benefit on their life as well. Everything was really asking me to step into this new part of myself, of actually sharing my experience and being a guide and a coach, not because I have learned something, but because I had gone through a very strong and transformational shift myself. And that is the only place from which you can actually give that energy and give that to others, because you have already done the path. And you don't really need to be like 10,000 steps ahead or like an illuminated master. You just need to have something and have done something and give that to people who are just, even sometimes just a step behind of you. But that is really scary, because we are not taught to move like that. And I constantly felt that I'm not ready. Who do I think that I am to teach or to coach people to do something like that? And at a certain point, I realized that it was only my own limiting beliefs that were keeping me from actually doing that. And I couldn't go forward. I had done so much. I had learned so much. I had transformed so much. So I was sitting on this gold mine within, being too afraid to actually share it, to actually try out the system, to see if it actually could help other people. And in that moment, I realized to step into my new version of myself and to continue learning, I could actually only do that by stepping into the role as a coach without me feeling ready to do so. And of course, here I am a couple of years later, and I feel more confident in that. But the confidence has come from only the fact of seeing that people have actually had the benefit of what I have been able to teach them. And so this is a muscle that you need to train. Step into something before you feel ready, and that aligned action will make you ready. And that brings me to step number 5, build micro momentum. As I said before, it might feel overwhelming to go from where you are today to your dream vision and your dream life. So instead of thinking about doing that extreme leap, you need to think about what are the micro steps that I need to take along the way that makes me feel that I'm going this journey, that makes me feel that, you start to see one piece of the puzzle changing, and then another, and then another. Then there's this chain of effects, but you're not needing to face that huge mountain in the beginning. You take one step at a time, and this is extremely important. And this is also the beauty of the journey, because the joys that you feel in every micro step and every micro win is the beauty of life itself. It's the beauty of the journey, and you will feel the exact same amount of joy and release of energy in a micro win as you will feel in this macro win. So it's made up of small steps and small choices. This also means to start intentionally showing up as the version of you that you want to see in this future. So try to think, what would that version of me do today? What kind of choices would that person of me take today? And this doesn't need to be perfectly done, but it needs to be intentional. It needs to be conscious, because it invites that future version of you that you're already there. It's not something that you're making up. It's not something that is inaccessible to you. It's a future version that is waiting for you, that you're actually just stepping into, because we are walking towards that. And so the faster you start to align with that and take actions in alignment with that person, the faster you will start to embody that version of yourself and to start to see the shift in your life around you. And step number 6 is to surround yourself with people who actually believe in your evolution. And I constantly come back to this, because the people that we have around us, they completely influence our energy state, and they also are the mirrors of what we unconsciously believe to be possible, to be true. So if you don't have people around you who actually share your evolution, or who are mirroring what possible future you might have, my suggestion to you is to go online and to connect with your favorite influencer, your favorite coach, or sign up to an online community where you can actually create a group of people who can sustain this rise of you, who can sustain this. And also people who you feel are already there, try to start to consume their content, try to start to be their own online best friend. You don't even need to be with them personally. This is the power of YouTube. This is the power of social media, that you can actually become friends with someone only by consuming their content. And then that kind of energy of that person becomes a part of you. You start automatically mimic the people that you have around you, even if it's only virtually. But if you want to go even deeper into that, and you want to take this transformation of your life super serious and have a fast track, I want to invite you into my Radical Emergence program. There's only 10 spots available, because I want to create a very intimate group and an intimate community of people who are actually dedicated to really transforming their lives in only 3 months. And it will be a beautiful journey guided by me together with other 10 soulful human beings who will be there to support you and to step into the highest version of you in only 12 weeks. So if you're interested in that, you will find the link in the description to sign up. And if not, my advice is to continue watching this next video, where I speak about misalignment and how you can go from misalignment into alignment in your life to speed up the process to create your dream life.